According to the Royal St. Lucia Police Force, 3 road fatalities have already been recorded for the year thus far, prompting renewed appeals for motorists and pedestrians to exercise greater caution on the nation's roads. Speaking at a recent police press conference, Superintendent Troy Lamontagne, head of the Department of Road Safety and Traffic Investigations, outlined several priority areas being addressed in collaboration with the Ministry of Transport, including proposed amendments to existing traffic legislation. One area under review is the importation and use of heavily tinted vehicles, which police say can compromise visibility and overall road safety.
One of the significant items on the agenda, and it's not the RSLPF agenda, but we are very close partner with the Ministry of Transport with regard to a review of the Motor Vehicles and Road Traffic Act. The issues concerning vehicles being imported with tint is one factor that needs to be addressed as it relates to the amending the legislation.
In addition to tinting, excessive bright and modified vehicle lighting, particularly LED lights, have generated increasing complaints from road users.
A very burning concern is also the issue of these very bright lights that either the vehicles are being imported into the island with, but also that vehicle owners are modifying or altering the lights that the vehicles are imported with and inputting these LED and other lights that drivers, especially at nights, are beginning to complain about. It does affect your vision and causes a risk of collision.
Police say impaired driving also remains a major contributor to serious road accidents. While current laws pose challenges in proving intoxication, authorities are exploring new mechanisms to strengthen enforcement.
Another issue that we want to look very closely into is the issue of driving while under the influence of alcohol or other mind-altering substances. Whereas the law does not specifically provide for a process that enables for this to be done or proven seamlessly, we are seeking or exploring other means that makes it very simpler for the police to identify and confirm that a driver is driving intoxicated or under the influence.
The RSLPF has also adopted a more community-focused approach to promoting safe road use. On Friday 16th, the police partnered with the Division of Transport to launch a road safety initiative under the theme Drive to Arrive Alive. The activity focused on positive reinforcement, recognizing motorists and pedestrians who demonstrated responsible road behavior along major northern corridors.
The purpose of this drive is to observe road users, both vehicular and pedestrians alike, and see how they use the road. Persons who are prudent drivers and pedestrians who ensure that they use the crossings properly, we are distributing or giving them a voucher from Marcy to show our appreciation to them for ensuring that they are avid road users. We also implore that moving forward, these individuals and the drivers and pedestrians on a whole continue to use the roads properly, that we can have a safe and free environment.
Police say the initiative is expected to expand to the southern part of the island in the coming weeks as efforts continue to reduce collisions and save lives. The Royal St. Lucia Police Force continues to urge all road users to obey traffic laws, avoid distractions and impaired driving, and remain alert at all times as road safety initiatives continue island-wide. Reporting for the Hot 7 TV News, I am Jasmine Duncan.